Hello everybody and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'll be showing you how to install apps from the Microsoft Store. So the Microsoft Store comes pre-installed on Windows 10 and it basically allows you to install and buy, movies, TV, books, apps and games and lots of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to install apps from there, and the installation process is pretty much the same from, anything you want to install. So just because I'm installing an app, it should be the same as, installing a book or a movie. So first you're just going to go to Cortana search and type Microsoft Store. And you can see there's apps, games, movies, and TV, books, and Edge extensions. Devices is just like actual hardware, so you can't really install that. You have to have it shipped to you and actually buy it. But for everything else, the installation process is pretty much the same. So if I go to apps, I can look at the top apps, I can search, I can use all these filters, and you can see these are top apps. I'm just going to install Adobe Photoshop. Just click Get, and it's going to ask you if you want to use it with your Microsoft and use it on any compatible device. I'm just going to say no thanks, but you can do that if you want. So it's just going to download, and it's installing, and there it is, it just installed. So I can click Launch, and you see now I have my app installed. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.